can check if there are any mosquitoes first. Yeah, just rip it apart.
So leading up to the eventual releases of Wolbachia, we've got to find out a way that we can monitor the success and the movement of those mosquitoes that would eventually be released. So right now what we're working on in more of an urban setting is how to capture male mosquitoes.
5 ADs and...
We have had exponential success from capturing no mosquitoes last year to being able to capture them at multiple sites in the last few months. So we're optimistic, but now the next step is going to be moving it from this urban landscape up into a forest landscape and see if the males are moving differently in those environments and if the kind of trapping techniques that we've been successful with down here are going to work up there.
The females live down here and the males live up there.
We are definitely moving, as you know, with this project as rapidly as we can, but it is really a ticking clock on how long our birds can survive in the forest areas that they're in. Our best guess, our best estimate for time to extinction for kiwikiu overlaps with our estimate for when Wolbachia might be effective on the landscape. So if we have some cool years and kiwikiu do better than expected, maybe they can hold on where they are longer than we think. If we have some warm years and maybe they are more susceptible than we anticipate, then we might lose kiwikiu faster than we had estimated to begin with. So that overlap is very worrisome. We can't put all of our faith in Wolbachia working, so at the same time we're also going to be bringing in some kiwikiu to captive care. We'd like to set up a viable population of kiwikiu in captivity so that if we lose the entire wild population in 1 year and then Wolbachia comes in and does a great job and is able to suppress the mosquitoes on the landscape, we can then release those same captive individuals back out as soon as possible.
I would say that's probably that other mosquito species we catch. So like these two are female culexes. The reason why they're declining or going extinct is from human causes. And so I like to, I guess, be a voice for them, because if no one advocates for them, who's going to? Because they can't advocate for themselves.
This lighting's really hard with that black net. It's preserving biodiversity around the world, and especially in places like island ecosystems, is going to be really important.
Looks like there's some gravid females in here. These birds have been here longer than any people have been. They've evolved here. They're unique to this place. Losing them is losing a part of our heritage here in the Hawaiian Islands and a part of the global heritage of biodiversity. They also play an important role in maintaining the ecosystem of the forests on the mountain, which helps humans by providing clean water and air. For us here, it makes these places habitable for us. They're also incredibly beautiful. Seeing them in the wild is a thrill, unparalleled. So I think protecting them matters for those reasons. They're an important part of the culture here. You know, these birds are featured in Mo'olelo and O'olelo no Eau, and losing them would be losing some of that as well.
We won't be able to say that the landscape is ever free of avian malaria with the Wolbachia tool. So in order for this Wolbachia to work, mosquitoes have to be constantly released with an incompatible strain. As soon as we stop releasing these incompatible males, other females will be able to come in, they will be able to breed, mosquitoes breed quickly, and they will be able to repopulate those areas, become infected with avian malaria, continue spreading it. So Wolbachia doesn't actually break the cycle, and so it's going to be continuous until we have another tool.